Let's talk about buttons again. In my last post, I indicated that demo that I have a new shortcut called theme button, which basically shoots out the themes button, not realizing that at some time during the Tuxedo or WP Theme City process, the button that came with those either Tuxedo or Theme City, they got fixed. Now, no matter what, the text on the button is displayed in white, and also you can get the theme button if you don't choose a type. So in a way, my theme button shortcode that I had created makes it almost obsolete. However, there are some differences. Well, actually, one difference how the two shortcodes work. Uh, my version of the button shortcode, the theme button, it's self-enclosed, while what Trevor had coded, the shortcut is not self-enclosed, and that fundamentally changes how you like to work. So it's going to be a personal preference. Now, as an added bonus of me not paying attention to the changes and sort of messing up, to both shortcodes, I added a new attribute. Now you can have a font awesome icon on the button. So let me show you by what I mean. Let's build a new post. Let's call it buttons. Let me create the button. So I added the icon. So let's say the icon name, let's call it calendar. Type primary, size, let's say large, no style, and because it's not self enclosing, I need to put the button text. So let's call it button text, and let's publish it and see the result. Hopefully there's going to be an icon, and yes, there is. Okay, so now because of how this particular shortcode works, if I want to center it or align it to the right, I need to do it to the whole text. There is no parameter that will do it. So if I click on the align center here, that should align me. The button should be aligned on the center of the page. Okay. Now, if I change the type from primary to warning, I will of course get a different color. Okay, and if I leave the type as blank, as nothing, I should be able to get the button that we created in Artisteer. Okay, now let's go to the shortcode, to the button shortcode that I created. Theme button. This is self-enclosed, so everything is going to be inside the shortcode. So the icon, let's leave it as home. The label, it's called button. The link there, self there. Align center, let's align it to the right. There's no sizes, and you can assign the alignment right in there and everything that is needed. And there it is. So these are that's the only fundamental difference between the two buttons. So uh, I'm gonna leave it to you guys to guide me whether to keep my shortcode or get rid of it altogether. Or if some people prefer the self-enclosed shortcode and leave it both. In terms of um, how much your website is going to slow down, and how big the code is, it's very little. That you're not going to see any difference in performance or in size. So it's not going to make a difference in that terms. That much for buttons.